Hey y'all, I'm back again with another food review video. I hope each and every one of y'all are having a good Sunday so far. So in today's food review video, I have the Hamburger Helper, as y'all can see. And for my drink, I have a Gatorade, the green apple kind. So yeah, y'all, let's get right into this food review video. Y'all, this is basically the same thing as the Hamburger Helper. It's in a box, but this is inside of a cup. There y'all go. I'll let y'all get the first bite. I haven't ate one of these in a while. These are so good. But yeah, y'all, all together, I get a Hamburger Helper a cooler 9 out of 10. This will be the end of my food review video. I'll catch y'all in my next food review video.